Hi everyone, this is Ivana from Flex Databases, an e-clinical software provider for CROs and sponsors. Today I will show you how to manage queries and clean the data in Flex EDC. Let's start from the very beginning. I am now on the page, an eCRF page with the screening visit, and I am acting as a principal investigator who needs to enter the weight of a patient as an anthropometric measure. I will on purpose make a typo in data entry so that you see how the system handles with it. Let's send this form. Once I have submitted the form with the typo, the system will, based on the automated checks, let me know that the expected value is not between the expected range. But I will purposely save this. And now let's switch to CRO side and see how the data management and data managers doing their daily work can see this mistake. Data Manager can view different forms per subject by filtering the screening number on the column here. They will be able to see that the system has found a discrepancy in the informed consent and demographics form. They can open this form, and once the form is opened, they will see where the mistake is, and they will be able to raise a query to investigator to let them know that this needs to be checked. Let's raise a query together. We will write the query text. Please double check the value. We will save this query, and the query will be sent to the investigator. Now, once the investigator goes back and opens this form, they will be able to see that there are open queries, the manual one that the data manager has added for him, and also the auto query that the system has done. They will be able to see this question mark, click on it, and actually see the field area. Once the principal investigators sees the query, they will be able to say value is correct or value has been corrected, let's say, and save this. They will go back and actually delete the typo that they have made and save this form again. Once the data manager goes back and sees that the query has been answered, they will be able to close the query and accept this form. That's how easy data cleaning is done.